So in this video, I'm going to show students and faculty of Seton Hall University how to access the Qualtrics platform and to create a new survey. So to start off, what we need to do is sign into PirateNet here. And then you may have to go through two-factor authentication. Then once you're logged into Okta here, you should see the tile for Qualtrics. All you need to do is just click that. And then it's going to open Qualtrics in a new window. And then once you are logged into Qualtrics, it will show you all of the projects or surveys that you have that are active or closed within the last 30 days or various times, depending on how many projects or surveys you have running. And one thing to show over here is there are some places where you can create folders. You see the button here for add new folder, and that is what you can use to organize some of the projects. So if you have several surveys for a different theme, or for the same theme, or for the same study or something like that, you could put everything into one folder so that it's easier to access that later. And again, this is just the landing screen for Qualtrics. And so what this shows is over here, it'll show a project. Most of the time you're going to be using a survey. And then it's going to show the last time that it was modified. Over here, active is going to show you whether the survey is, by active, they mean accepting responses or not. Then it's going to tell you how many questions are on the instrument, how many responses have been obtained so far. And then this is just a little histogram to show how frequently your responses have come in over the previous 12 days. And so to create a new survey, all you need to do is go up here to this button that says Create New Project. Click that. Then it's going to take you to this screen where you can pick a lot of different templates and things like that to get started. Most of the time, though, you're just going to come over here and click Create Your Own Highlight Survey. You'll see that it there's like a little animation here that highlights it in blue. Then just click that. And then it'll ask you to name it. So in this case, we're just going to call it Example Survey. And then over here, you'll see below, there are a few different options for when you're creating something new. So you can create a blank project, which is what I'm doing now, which is where you have really just a clean slate where there's no text, there's no formatting, there are no questions or anything like that. You can create a survey or an instrument from a copy of another survey if you want, or you can pull different things from your library, which is something that you build over time the more that you use Qualtrics, or from a file because you can download an instrument in a Qualtrics format and then you could re-upload it later on if you so choose. For right now, I'm just going to show how to start from scratch with just a blank project. So once you've typed in a name, then all you need to do is just click Get Started. And then that's going to load, and then that's going to take you to this screen right here. And from this point, you're ready to start writing questions and developing the survey itself. So that's all there is to it to get started.